Hello, good morning all. So we are discussing about the cyclone, thunderstorms and cyclones. We got an idea what is a cyclone and how it is forming. All these are because of the variations in the pressure, air pressure in different areas or different parts of the earth crust. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the destruction caused by cyclones. We know that cyclone is a strong wind, powerful wind. So, most of the cyclones are very destructive, creating a lot of harm to the life of human and also the life of plants and animals. We know already stated that the coastal areas are highly vulnerable to these cyclones. So the strong winds push the water towards the seashore. Okay, and this is the first indication of a cyclone. The rising water may be as high as 3 to 12 meters. It appears like a water wall moving towards the shore. So, it may adversely affect the life and property of those people they are living in coastline areas. And also associated with this cyclone, usually there will be a continuous rainfall for 1 or 2 weeks. This may result in the flood. The high-speed wind damages the houses, telephones, and other communication systems. Cyclones are identified by or they are named in different parts of the world as in different. It is called a hurricane in American continent. In Philippines and Japan, it is called a typhoon. Very rarely, during the formation of the cyclone, we can see the tornadoes. In our country, these tornadoes are not very frequent, but it is a dark funnel-shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground through the eye of the cyclone. If it is a tornado, the funnel of the tornado sucks the dust and also the dry leaves and also the houses, buildings, trees, animals, etc. Okay, it may lift everything to the sky, which results in the mass destruction of life and property in that area. Then what are the effective measures? Effective safety measures are given there, page number 89 and 90. You can see cyclone forecast. We have to ensure the service of cyclone forecast and other kind of warning systems. And also rapid communication is very essential. Nowadays it is very easy to communicate through the because of the developed internet system. It is very easy to communicate and also to give awareness among the people regarding this kind of destructive cyclones and wind. So the government agencies need to take part in all this kind of activities. They want to give warning alarms to ports and also ships, fishermen, etc. And another effective measure, that is a construction of cyclone shelters in vulnerable areas. Those cyclone prone areas need to construct cyclone shelters. So if you are getting advanced alarm regarding the cyclone, we can give shelter for those people to protect from the adverse effect of the cyclone. Then what about the people that we want to take? We should not ignore the warnings. The warnings are usually given by the meteorologists and also from the side of government. So don't ignore the warnings given by the government through TV, radio, newspaper, etc. Make necessary arrangement to shift the household goods, domestic animals, vehicles, etc. to safer place. Avoid driving on roads through standing water, and also keep ready the phone numbers of all the emergency services like police, fire, etc. Then some precautions are here given page number 90. If you are staying in a cyclone hit area, what we want to do, do not drink water that could be contaminated. Okay, contaminated water may be the surely, so don't drink contaminated water. Always store drinking water when you are going for this kind of areas, and do not touch wet switches and fans, fallen power lines. to avoid electric shock, and do not go out just for the sake of fun. Cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. Nowadays we are well protected because of the advancement in the technologies and others, communication systems and others. In olden times there was no this kind of warnings, advanced alerts. At that time the people are getting very little time to evacuate their homes and others, but nowadays we will get the uh, alarms and also warnings from the satellites and others. Cyclone alert is there or cyclone watch is there, so this can give cyclone warning uh, 24 hours in advance. Okay, and we can broadcast this message very easily. Within a few seconds we can broadcast this message to all parts of the world. That much developed communication system is also available now. That is why, thank God, because of all this kind of advanced technologies. Okay, this protect our life from the adverse effect of cyclone. So that's all about the chapter. Then the exercises and others that we'll do in the next class. Okay.